So this is what we call camping in Estonia. We just arrived at the campsite, and this is our tent.
Are those to sit on? What? Are those to sit on? Yeah.
This is gonna be great. Estonian for bridge.
Come on, man, move.
Sorry, I'm just filming it, man. I'm trying to film it. Wow, this is awesome, dude. This is like awesome, man.
And he also brought the boat, which is not canoe, so it's over there. We can.
Oh, we can use it?
Yeah, we can use it like today.
Yeah,
this used to be the beach, like in the water, on that thing over there. So it was like
it went all the way?
not all the way, just a little bit. And
This
then,
is
we
awesome,
could
man.
swim. This is the old fireplace over there. you can see a pot. Yeah. Did you see the village place over there? You will pass in it.
I think we kind of
The-
looked, but
Village fireplace. So our fire is bigger.
dang. Wait.
It's actually pretty warm.
Wait, what is it? Say it again?
Go and check it out.
What is it?
It's a toilet.
There's no lock.
Yep. You have to go in.
And like normal girls, they all went in together.
It's a big one.
Wow.
You can sleep there. Go in. Seriously. Go in.
This is really a toilet. What are you doing, Christina?
I'm making the wood siledaks, kuidas on.
The what?
I don't know.
That it's the surface is smooth and we can sit on and we don't get any wood
Splinters.
splinters.
Yeah.
Ah.
No.
Dude, this is dope.
Kus võrkpall on? You can check out the fireplace and on the river side over there. And there's a boat.
There's a boat.
Neid nagu üles aga.
Sašlak. Sašlak?
Yeah, you can try, Gabo. Some of them are already here already.
I'm trying to get it on film. That's it?
Check that. Like they're not so hot. They're better when they're hot. Yeah.
Mmm. Mmm. What is it in?
Onion. Mis seal sees on?
Mis siin sees on?
Jah.
Pipar, sool, äädikas.
Kus pipa on? Pepper.
Pepper, salt,
Salt.
salt.
Adikas. You know what it is? Adikas. And I
No,
think
what's adikas?
he put some of this sauce from Santa
That's
Maria too. So
That's really good.
really good and väga hea.
Have you ever thrown a football before?
No.
No, really, have you? Before today, have you ever thrown a football?
Oh, one time.
One time.
Yeah.
When?
I know, it's just long time ago.
What about Seem?
No.
This is the first time you ever threw a football?
Yeah. One time at your house. That doesn't
In-
count.
inside, right?
It was like that
Yeah.
close.
Okay. This is the Estonian version of Knott's Berry Farm.
That's Estonian farming today. Yeah.
That's
Look how
the-
far we have developed.
That's the modern technology of Estonia right here. What's going on here is actually
Okay, zoom.
this thing.
Don't you sue me.
What's going on here is actually every 100 years they do a bagpipe walk, and what happens is that all the trees come to life. So we're gonna see that right now.
These are living creatures. What are they? Wow.
I've been misinformed. Trees are already alive. They're just gonna start walking right now.
I'm like, oh no. Forget it. Yeah.
Tere teile kõigile, aga tulge natuke lähemale. Ei no, öeldi ju, et Jaan ja Jõul asuvad ühe koha peal. Mõlemad koolitavad aasta. Aga kui Jõul olid sellised lubased pühad oma kommetega, mis ei tohtinud külas väga palju käia, jaanipäev oli just nimelt see koht, kus hästi palju rõhutati just nimelt sõpru ja sugulasi, et palju käidi külas ja pidutseti ja puhati. Ja vot meil muidugi on see jaanipäev hästi paljude erinevate traditsioonidega. Kas on nii on? Sa Jane ikka tunnid.
Ei ole.
Tegelikult oli jaanipäev ja kõige tähtsam valladuse naipäev.
What's gonna happen is this: they're gonna find an ugly girl and spank her to make her cute or pretty. This is not right.
Try laughing.